Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 13th reveal of Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have the Advent Calendar and haven't looked at today's item, you'll want to pause the video. I'm about to open up the window. So look for number 13. It's on the right side. I'll just open up the window, and on the inside we have a lot of sentiments. We'll remove the little white wrapper, and it looks like we have another stamp set. This is the second stamp set so far. I am grabbing my piercing tool so I can pop that stamp set out. I do like that the 2023 version does not have the little glue dots holding all the items in. There are 4 sentiments included. The largest is Happy Birthday. Then we have an amazing day, I'm glad you were born, and to someone special. So you could add that smaller sentiment underneath the Happy Birthday. I am using a card sketch for inspiration. This is from Sugar Pea Designs. It's sketch number 51. And I really like this sketch and use it quite often. The pattern paper is from Doodlebug Designs Hello Again collection. For the background of my card, I'm using some teal cardstock that has a pearlescent finish. I'll layer it on some black cardstock. I selected 2 pattern papers. The larger piece has a rainbow of butterflies, and the top is a tone-on-tone pink pattern. I'll round the left corners, the top pink and the bottom butterfly, and I'll do the same thing on the black layer. For a little bit of separation and shine between the 2 pattern paper pieces, I am adding a Love from Lizi peel off. This is the clear iridescent color in the pinstripe style. And I'll use a craft knife to trim the very end. I'll put glue on the back and add this panel on my card more toward the top as indicated on the card sketch. For a sentiment, I've already stamped out Happy Birthday. Use some black ink on white cardstock. Cut the left side at an angle, and I'll layer the sentiment on some black cardstock. Then I'll use my scissors to cut that same angle from the black cardstock. I'll put glue on the back and adhere the sentiment in the lower right hand corner. I'll add a small white circle die cut, and I did use some white shimmer cardstock for the circle. I'll adhere that in place with some glue. Now I'll add 3 small balloon die cuts. And the balloon images are from a previous day Advent Calendar goodie. I don't remember which day it is now. I've done so many at this point. I did put foam dimension behind each of the balloons to pop them up. I'll adhere all of those down. And you can see the strings are way too long, so I will trim those off. Then I'll add a tiny bit of glue underneath the end of the strings, that way they don't stick up. I'll hold down the end of the balloon string long enough for that glue to adhere. Using a small scrap piece of black cardstock, I'll cut a banner and add it in the upper left-hand corner. I'll first cut a fishtail at the bottom, then I'll cut the right side in slightly at an angle, do the same thing on the other side, and I'll put glue on the back and adhere it in place. For embellishments, I'm pulling out my small wooden bowl of embellishments that I've been using throughout the Advent Calendar cards. Selected a larger iridescent finish gem sticker. I'll put 3 above the balloon on the left side and 2 underneath on the right side. So there is my finished card using Spellbinders' December 13th item from their Crafty Advent Calendar. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 14th reveal and a card. And if you've been enjoying my videos, I'd love if you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.